Okay, now it is time for the list method. So just open your browser, go to list methods Python. And here you can see that for the W3 schools, and actually this is a good reference and source for information, you can see that all the list or the array methods we have on Python. So you can see that we have append, we have clear, we have copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort. Okay, now one thing I want to mention here. Well, actually, it is not expected from you to memorize all of these, actually. Because I'm telling you, from my personal experience and as a real world experience or real world scenario, you are not expected to memorize all of these. What is expected from you is to know that in Python, in the list or the arrays, there are methods, and these are the methods. And you know that there is something called append. So it is to add element to the end of the list, or clear, or copy, or count, or whatever. Okay, and actually there is something called sort, by the way. Yeah. So you just Google it, or you search about it. Yeah, how to do this. You don't need to ask on forums or blogs, but you know where to go. Now I'm telling you, actually this is, after all, this is my personal opinion. If you memorize it, yeah, it's okay. It's actually, it will save you some time, yeah, instead of searching about it and copy paste. No, actually you can just type it. But actually it's not that matter, or it will save you that time. Actually, it's no big deal. Actually, you will see that these small details is not important to memorize it, actually, but what is important is to know how to search about it and how to find it. So for example, I want to sort. I will go to here to this example, and I can see that we have this cars, Ford, BMW, Volvo, whatever, and cars, which is the name of the list, and dot sort. As simple as that. So this will give you the cards sorted. Okay, sorted, I think by alphabetics. So the first one will be PM because this is B, and then will be Ford, which is because this is F, and V, which is because this is V capital. And of course, the capital letter is different than the small letters and so on. Okay, again, no big deal. You can read about it more, you can check it more, see more examples and so on. Okay, but what is matter here in this lecture, in this course, is to know that for the list there are methods, built-in methods, and you can search about it, and they are documented well on the web, either the official documentation or some good references and resources like the w3schools.com, which is something I recommend you to check. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.